Come on kids, let me learn letter and their sounds. A, as in apple. A, as in ant. B, as in ball. B, as in books. C, as in car. As in cat. D, as in dog. D, as in doll. E, as in elephant. As in egg. F, as in fan. As in frog. G, as in gun. G, as in grapes. H, as in horse. As in hen. I, as in igloo. As in ink. J, as in jacket. J, as in jug. K, as in king. As in kangaroo. L, as in lion. As in lamp. M, as in monkey. As in mango. Practice these sounds. We will meet in the next video.